Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your Love Bite. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Libra. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Libra. The World, Hermit, Nine of Pentacles, Justice, here's your card, and then the Five of Pentacles, Four of Cups, Nine of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, and the Nine of Swords. Queen of Wands, bottom of my deck. It seems somebody is highly attracted to this Queen of Wands, but a cycle seems to have closed, leaving one person in hermit mode. They see their person as single, beautiful, abundant, attractive, turning heads, doing very well, bringing balance and justice into their own life. Shut this chapter down. That is making the other person feel totally left out in the cold. They are feeling now sad and lonely and rejected, feeling nobody's fighting for this connection. They've lost hope that they can revive this connection, I guess, going through a lot of stress and worry. I mean, one person seems to be glowing and the other person seems to be having sleepless nights. Let's see what's happening here, Libra. Let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest. Libra and their person. Libra and their person, Spirit. Libra and their person. They could say something to each other now. What would that be? Libra and their person, Spirit. And Libra, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Libra and their person. All right. Good to go, Libra. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, the love I have for you is a deep reflection of the love I have for myself. I found all the fragmented, broken pieces of myself when I met you. You mirrored my wounds so that I could look deep inside of myself to heal from within. This connection can seem out of balance when I try and reassure you or overgive to you. I realize that I have to give to myself, and that you will then master self-love. I think this Queen of Wands has found their own self and may have been moving on or something, and that's triggering the other person now also. Put them into a little bit of hermit mode to see what they've been doing wrong. Your indifference could be the difference as to whether I continue to invest in you or our relationship anymore. Enough of divine timing already. You want to be with me and I want to be with you. Why can't we get our shit together now? You feed my heart and soul with your love. You are my best friend and my passionate lover. I love you more than anything in this world. I cry myself to sleep thinking about all the times we've missed out on. I wish I could go back in time and change things. Love doesn't even begin to describe what I feel about you. There are no words to explain the depth of my feelings. My ex and I are just friends. I will wait for you as long as I have to. All right, Libra. These were some of your messages. If these resonated, let's start your reading. Of course, I'm going to take an angel blessing card before I start the clarification. Let's see what my angels have for you, Libra. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Libra. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Libra. Here it is. And the card that I have here for you is love. There is a deep love between the two of you. I mean, I have no words to even describe what I'm feeling right now. The love is so pure, it's unconditional, and yet this is what I'm seeing on my board. All right, let's see why that's happening. Spirit, why is the World card here? Yes, somebody has shut the door on their person. I think this is a Queen of Wands who's taken back their power, taken back control of their life, no longer willing to sit in this sadness and overthinking and crying and waiting, none of that. They see the reality that my person is a self-proclaimed heartbreaker, playboy. They just make promises and break them. So I'm ready to shut the chapter down on them. Am I right? Yeah, somebody doesn't want a reunion anymore, saying, they are just a promise breaker. They break hearts, they're into third parties. Maybe there was an argument, there was a fight, some words could have been exchanged regarding the same, and somebody feels the door has been shut. Yes, Chariot in reverse, not moving towards you anymore after this. I think this is the Queen of Wands saying that. So Hermit, what's the Hermit? Now the other person has been pushed into hermit mode. They do want to come out of this overthinking that they've put themselves in, but there is now shame and guilt and embarrassment. Why is that, Hermit? Why is that? One more. They feel somebody has made a decision, made a choice, gotten out of this confusion because of somebody's cheating behavior. Maybe this hermit's cheating behavior in the past. And they feel, yes, my person is already maybe gone looking to see what else is out there. Or maybe it was this hermit who was in this position earlier. They were always, checking to see if the grass was greener on the other side. Cheating, lying. Nine of Pentacles. But now they've made a decision. They want to talk, they want to clear the air, that, hey, I'm not in two minds anymore. They're looking at this Queen of Wands as their person. Somebody who's really doing well for themselves, who's confident, is single, is making their money, not reliant on anyone, not looking for attention. But they are also saying that maybe in the past they never offered anything. They never offered a new beginning. They may have rejected this single person for commitment, and that's the reason of this beautiful connection coming to an end, this soulmate connection. So what's the Justice card, Spirit, now? Justice. What's the Justice card? Somebody wants to apologize. They want this stuck feeling to go. They want their person to open up. They want this, enough of divine timing already. Let's get our shit together now, kind of a thing. But they don't have much hope because there's been so much of stagnancy here. They have lost hope that they can achieve this now. Okay, so they're sitting here feeling lost because now they realize that person has walked away from them, leaving them out in the cold, feeling rejected, dejected, lonely, sad. Four of Cups, yes, they've now look at their person as the Empress, but the Empress who doesn't want to be with them. This Empress who is holding back from them. Nine of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. Yes, they feel this Empress will not allow them back in. They've lost their Four of Wands, they've lost their future, they've lost their happily ever after. And the more this person is worrying and thinking about this, it's exhausting them. Absolutely. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they feel they are the cause. They are the cause for this tower ending. They do want to rebuild though. big time. They really want to rebuild. They want to come back so desperately with the Six of Cups energy. I mean, this card said, "You are my best friend. You are my most passionate lover. I want you back." They want to rebuild this connection, but they're sitting here in a lot of stress. Nine of Swords. Why? Because certain things came out in the open, some things got revealed about maybe their third parties or their breadcrumbing ways. There was no balance, things went a wrong direction, and they're worried that they made some very unwise decisions. They made some very foolish mistakes. When they had a chance to commit and to offer commitment, they didn't. They didn't even put in the effort, they didn't invest in the connection. So, Queen of Cups, since you're sitting here in the upright and you are our overall energy, the theme of this Libra reading, would you like to say something to us? I'm going to give this Queen of Wands the mic, Libra. Let's see what she says. Queen of Wands, you have the mic. What would you like to say? Okay, one more. Okay, so the Queen of Wands is saying, well, I am in the process of healing myself at the moment. I'm healing my broken heart. This person drained me out. They totally drained me out. I tried. I tried and I tried and I tried multiple times, but they just kept taking and taking and they drained me out totally. I am now healing myself. I'm trying to work on my own life, on my work, on my finances, because this person, they just left me. They just left me out in the cold. They just abandoned me. Anything else, Queen of Wands? Yeah, Queen of Wands wants to say that this person is very like a narcissist, very selfish, very self-centered, very harsh in their communication. They could have said or done something really rude to this Queen of Wands. What else? So yeah, this card came out sideways. So this Queen of Wands is not really sure whether they want to have a rebirth. They go back and forth in their head as to, do I really want to give this a second chance, or is it time for a rebirth for my own life? The love is drained out to quite an extent because of this person's past behavior, and they know it. They know it. Okay, so that's all I have for you. The love card was here by my angels. Maybe there's a chance of resurrection of this love, but at the moment, well, both of you feel there is no love here. But my angels are assuring there is. So let's see in the weeks to come what happens. But yeah, Spirit says that's a secret. That's a mystery. Okay, Libra, that's all I have for you. Till next time then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.